Hello friends and welcome to Chef Salim's Street Food Corner. Today I'm going to show you a recipe that will make you hungry even on a full stomach. Our topic, Kumru. Yes, not the bird, the sandwich. To make a proper Kumru sandwich, my filling ingredients are sausage, salami, and real Turkish beef sucuk. You know, the kind made from actual 100% beef. And the salami, no, not that air-filled supermarket stuff. I'm talking about the good kind. All right. Today, we're about to enjoy a full musical trio inside our stomachs: turkey salami, chicken sausage, and beef sukuk. A three-animal duet, or actually, a trio. Whatever it is, it's going to perform live in our digestive system. Let's begin by slicing the salami. But no, I'm not going to waste time cutting these with a knife. I'm using this slightly thick, serrated potato peeler. Oh my God, every time it slips toward my hand, it peels my skin like a piece of bark, and I can feel the pain traveling through my veins. Anyway, as you can see, I've sliced the salami into long strips. Why do we do it like this? Because I don't want anyone to understand what this really is. When food looks fancy, people immediately assume it's something luxurious, when in reality, this is the kind of stuff you buy at the supermarket labeled turkey, even though it might contain everything except turkey. We'll never know, but we still love it, thanks to that magical ingredient, MSG. Yes, they made us addicted to these things, and we accept it. Does anyone actually know the special material used for the outer casing of beef sukuk? We all know it's not plastic or nylon. I even made a detailed video about how it's made. You can check it out. Yes, go to the channel, scroll back to the videos from 2 years ago, and you'll see it there. Now, I'm slicing the beef sukuk in a slightly different style so it doesn't look the same as the other ingredients. It needs to stand out as its own category. Those spice-loaded beef slices will add amazing richness. Now let's move on to the cheaper option, chicken sausages. You can slice them into rounds if you want. That way, you fully follow my make everything look like a different product rule. I don't know why I didn't slice them round this time, but you can. We'll add a few more ingredients too. I'll show you in a moment. Let's give all the sliced ingredients a good mix. By the way, like the video, leave a comment, share it. Actually, wait. Who really shares someone else's video? I mean, do you genuinely share a video because you love it and want others to see it? Or do you only share it because the person inside the video told you to? Be honest now. Anyway, I've started prepping the potatoes. You don't need potatoes grown on Mars. Any normal potato variety is fine. Let them sit in cold water for a bit. I'll slice them with the machine soon. I'm cutting the pickles into long, thin strips, and now the potatoes are going through my semi-automatic slicer, 9x9, perfectly cut with zero effort. And of course, we ordered the Kumru bread. We ordered Kumru bread, but the baker must have been joking because he brought us these super crispy breads instead. Anyway, we told him, these are the wrong ones. And he said, okay then, keep them, and we didn't even pay. So we're using these now. Bread is bread at the end of the day. They're still fresh, nicely baked, and you can see those little air pockets inside. Proper kneading and proper resting. I'm going to make them into big half sandwiches. Instead of cutting from the middle, I'm slicing them from the side to get a bigger half. I cut all the breads, open them up, and now all the ingredients are ready. Only the cooking part remains. Let's heat the oil for the fries. Add sunflower oil into the pot. Once it's hot, we'll drop the potatoes in. I've got this beautiful tomato sauce. I'll use it instead of ketchup. I blend it until smooth, add salt, spices, garlic. Then pour it into an empty ketchup bottle using a funnel. Perfect usability. When the oil gets hot, we drop the fries in, give them a stir, and let them fry. stirring occasionally. For the sandwich filling, we add 250 grams of margarine. Some say they use butter, but they're lying. Anyway, I'm using margarine. We love it because, well, because it's unhealthy. Add half a kilo of sunflower oil too. When the oil is hot, add the meats, the animals, and cook them slowly while mixing. Black pepper, chili flakes, salt, done. Then I add the fried potatoes. Half the pot is yellow, half red. This dish has officially become a Galatasaray supporter, and this is how it looks when everything is completely mixed. No kid or teenager can resist this. Older folks don't prefer it. Once you age, you're supposed to stick to boiled meat and chicken. So enjoy this while you're young. Open the bread and load it with beef sausage, chicken sausage, turkey salami, and crispy fries. Add tomato sauce, or ketchup if you don't have it, plus mayonnaise. If you ask, can we add mustard too? Why not? Go ahead, make your sandwich however you like. We add the pickle slices and wrap the whole thing in white paper, and the sandwich is ready. And of course, we pair it with the unhealthiest drink of all, cola. But we love it, so now let me make a tiny sandwich for myself using the small piece I cut from the bread earlier. I can't eat much anyway. A little turkey salami, some beef sausage, a bit of chicken sausage, some fries, some pickles, a little sauce. Perfect, as long as the bread closes easily. And that's it, friends. Today, we've made our stomachs happy. We made the Kumru sandwich, packed it up, and of course, washed it down with our cola. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and swing by the channel. Being subscribed isn't enough. Check in once in a while so I don't have to wonder where did all my subscribers go. See you at the next street food adventure. I'm Chef Salim, and I'm out.